My name is Kat.
Kat?
Hi, I'm Nati.
Okay, so we are waiting for the show to start. So, is this your first show here in Milan?
Yeah, this is in Milan.
Okay.
It's like the second one. Yesterday I had presentation.
Okay, where do you come from?
Russia.
Russia?
I'm from Ukraine.
Ukraine, okay. So, what do you think about the Haining brands that are performing today? Leather, all in leather.
I think it's amazing. It's really gorgeous, and you can wear it every day, and it's super stylish. And I love the hair, and it really suits the collection. Super natural. So yeah, I'm wearing like a big fur coat actually. Yeah, and like a leather skirt and a big boots. So it's kind of like.
So what's your favorite look when you are not working as a model?
Pajama.
Pajama.
I usually go for a white tee and black jeans, like skinny jeans.
Okay.
I like something like more oversized, so basically I like to feel more comfy. And I'm really happy they're like oversized pants, they're like in trend. Yeah, and everything in this collection is super oversized, super stylish, kind of has this Balenciaga vibe, so it's amazing.
Wow.
I have like really tight skirt and like that, but it's fine. Yeah, I have like a big coat. Yeah.
So, which are the advices that would you tell to the girls that want to be involved in this work as a model? So before the show, you don't eat, you eat, what do? You just drink?
Honestly, no. You have to take care of yourself, get enough sleep because fashion weeks are crazy and it can be a little bit overwhelming. Make sure you eat and make sure, thank God, like they have a lot of options food-wise because there are a lot of girls who are vegan, there are a lot of girls who are like vegetarian. So thank God they have enough fruits, they have enough sandwiches, all kinds of sandwiches. So do eat, do get enough sleep, and take care of yourself. Yeah, this is like
so ready to go.
Yeah, because you need a lot of energy to actually
and don't
do
give
the
up.
whole
A lot
thing.
of castings all for them. Like, don't give up. It's like you're doing like a lot of castings, and on a lot of them you're like hearing thank you bye, but actually you just like need to go.
The main thing is to have a lot of resilience, isn't it?
Yeah.
You have to be just like full of energy and smile all the time. And I know it's tiring.
Yeah, stay positive. If you get 5 no's and 1 yes, you still got 1 yes.
Okay, we gathered the lesson. Thank you and good luck for the show.
Thank you.
Ciao. Ciao, ciao.